push this out Twitter. I'm gonna get some music going first. Where's my playlist?
GoDaddy Arrow can get.
Let's start right here. Audio working? Can you hear the music?
It's like Tuesday.
Okay. You gotta yell. What am I doing? Oh, yeah. You hear yourself?
Oh. Yeah, you can hear.
Alright, cool. Thank you, baby.
I'll have to play and I'll let you know if it gets too loud.
Okay, thank you.
Fatality.
I'll watch my crappy holiday movie.
Okay, I love you. Think that worked.
Fatality.
All right, we are ready to go. Almost. Okay. Got a little dump-a-rooney yesterday. I was saying on the stream yesterday, it looks like we had some downside coming. There was too many top signals on these higher time frames not to I should have shorted that 5-minute little 5-minute bear dibs we had. That would have been the top. You go back and look at the stream yesterday at like 56, 57 minutes in. I say, oh shit, there it is. There's a short. Short it. And that would have been it. But let's see. Do we have more downside? Probably. Probably so. I'd like to see some bull divs on this 1 hour. Looks like we're curving up on the VWAP. Money flow still in the red. Let's look at the daily, because that's what had me believing the VWAP was getting ready to cross over. I knew there was going to be some downside. How much more? I'm not sure. I'd like to see us come down to at least this spider line 2.0 with bull dibs on the 1 hour right here. Get some bull dibs around these supports. I feel like we could be back on the way. I don't believe this is it. You had a little bull div right here. Spider lines, OG spider lines, still working. Still working beautifully. Keeping it. Do not like the way that looks. Let's see what the 4 hours talking about. That'll tell us when we got more downside. Yeah, I think we still got a little bit more downside. Looks like we still got a little ways to go. If the VWAP was curving up, I'd feel better, but she's still pointing down on this 4 hour. It's not what I wanted. Still pointing down on the daily. We got 8 hours. Yeah, see, I need some super juicy bull divs here. Let them play out around the 60 line on the 1 hour, and then we'll come down to the 15 and the 5. We'd like to see them start to play out around the 60 line, but before we take it, they need to be up here in this area between the 0 and the 20. I guess you could say the 30. Just bull divs clipping, and then we'll try to catch that last little trigger wave before it crosses over. Right there at the OG spider line, found some support, got resistance of the VWAP above us. We'll have to wait and see. But if I had to guess, we're probably going to see some more
Sure, a few of my
downward
exes are dead.
downward action still before we come up and put in new highs. The trade I'm really looking for is for the bullish divergence on the 1 hour. It's what I'd really like to see. But with just with the daily, VWAP still coming down. I mean, it looks like she's got a curve eventually. She just hasn't yet. I'd really like to see us come down to this support here. Almost right where the two spider lines intersect. As we curve up. Because that money flow, what is this? The daily still a lot of money in it. I mean, she's creeping out. Still a lot of money in it. You see the weekly VWAP is getting ready to turn back up. I don't see this going down too much more. That's a nice curve on it. That's beautiful. It's what you want to see. I can see it doing something like that, and then continuing higher. 110, 115. Top out at 115. I don't think that's the top though. Here to the monthly. Well, 120 could be the fucking top. Because generally speaking, Face pointed this out a couple of days ago. Tops are always in a 4-year cycle. Tops are always November, December. So the top will be between here and here. With the way price is moving, you follow the lines here. Bet you it's the, I don't know, the OG spider lines. I feel like they're going to be the ones to call it. They've called it in the past. Not that I guess the 2.0, they work great. But these OG spider lines, I just feel like they got more data to them. I could definitely see the top. 120, 130. 120, 125. Monthly, still going upward direction, it looks like. But she could be ready to cool off a little bit. That's what I'll really be paying attention to when it's time for a top. We got a year. We got a year. Yeah, 335 days. I was thinking about something. I need to, because it correlated perfectly with what Base was saying. I feel like in the next 300, that's it. Top is going to be around 120. And then I feel like this bear market, boy, this is going to be a bear market. Such divs. It's getting lower. What was it? Daily, I believe. Daily, yeah. I was looking at this. So this is our last trigger wave under the 60 line. We haven't been under the 60 line in freaking months. 2 months, going on 3. Last time, it was so long, or even close, was here. And you see what happened? We got our last little pinch under the 60 line, and she just ripped. She went from like 30 something, yeah, 30K. To a 73%. She just repped 70% before any momentum came back to the zero lines. I guess right there, but that's a clip too. That's still 60%. And that's right there at the zero line. That's still strong momentum to the upside. She ripped 60. I'm just saying, last time we didn't see any momentum like we haven't seen now. It's just been we're gonna get that last little pinch right here, and we'll proceed to all-time highs, guaranteed. It ain't over, but it ain't my last, homie. Don't trip. Well, so I'd like to see. I still don't think we're going to come down to past the zero line off this little dump. I don't see us coming down past the zero line. I see us putting in more divs. Let's look back here. I always go back in history and see what you get. 1, 2, 3. It's really not divs. This would be the divs. I don't know. I'm interested to see this daily momentum. Money flow is still so thick. I don't see us coming down below the zero line off this little dump here. See these little dumps, just about the same. Coming real close to strong support. Need to draw some fibs. Just been using my spider lines. Except for like go into the 1 hour, that's when I start drawing some fibs. Fibs, dibs, libs. Man, I just don't like that. Just don't like that. I just call it Blues Clues. Good morning, Hunter. Sorry, I don't know how long you sent that. I'm bad about keeping my eye on the chat. I'm sorry about that, bud. Let's see. I'm gonna try to front run. I'd like to see a lot of bull dibs started to close off around the 0 line to try to front run some bull dibs on the 1 hour. Where was it yesterday? What was the top yesterday? I saw it. I saw the VWAP. What was it? Somewhere over here? It was like 105. 105 something. Somewhere right here. Yeah. Because it never went back up. I'd have to look on the video. But I saw it, man. I saw it play out great. What's today? The 20th? The 19th? What's the 18th? I want to say it was this one. See, we came back up right here. And I don't feel like we came back up. This isn't even. See, it's somewhere over here. This one, that one. Yeah, there it is. You go back and look on the stream yesterday. I saw that VWAP. Boom, and then we started printing the red dot. I said short it at 105. I wish I still had my stuff up. My stop loss would have been here. Man, she would have played out. Should have took her. I didn't. Oh well. There's another one coming, I promise. But man, I'm just proud of myself. I've come so far. When I see it, and I know it. I just gotta stop being nervous to pull the trigger. Trust your TA. Trust your TA. When you know it, you know it. Take the risk, man. Take the risk. Find a deal. Because we got more upside. We might have more downside today. And the next couple of days, we could bleed the rest of the week. But she's going back up. Money flow's too high. Momentum's still above 60 with red dots still above 60. She got room to run. How much room? I'm not sure. I'm guessing the top. If I'm looking at this monthly here, looking at this here monthly, and with the information we have, that the great crypto face pointed out, which I mean you can go figure it out for yourself too, but he just made it easy. I really think 120, 130 will be it's gonna be the top. It's gonna hit these spider lines and an 80% dip. Let's see. Don't need to go out that far. So we'll come here. Fuck it, we'll call it 128. What's that? 80%. Back to 25, 30K. Yeah, I can see that. Look right there at that resistance support flip at around 30, 31.8. Flip the support. Yeah, that could be it. She come back down. Well, it'd be after this, because this would be the top. It just slowly. I could actually see, just historically speaking, though, you're gonna get that bear market's gonna send you down 80%, 70, 80%. So 31.8, 25. That sounds like a good place for the next bottom. The last bottom was like 16, I think. Right here. 15, 16, something like that. But yeah, if I had to guess, that'd be my guess that we'll come to November, December, put in our top around these spider lines. Man, right here looks like price is just gonna wick right to those spider lines, and then we'll start our the bear market and look for a 70-80%. But that's still months away. I still feel like we got more downside for sure. What are we at? 100K? I'd like to see us come down to these spider lines around 98.7, 98. I feel like there's a fib somewhere right here too. Might be a golden pocket. Close. 97. 74. Yeah, I see it come down. Hit this golden pocket on the 1 hour with these fibs. Or fibs. Spider lines. Come between this box here. Somewhere in this box. With bull divs forming on the 1 hour. Confirmed on the 5 minute. Confirmed on the 15. Which we do not have bull divs. I guess right here. But that's already played back out. This is not a lower low. Well, yeah it is. It's a lower low from your initial anchor wave. And you're hitting that right there, that OG spider line with the bull div. Price has gotten lower, your momentum has gotten higher. You see it playing out good. But you're also coming against the VWAP resistance, pushing above it now. You got resistance at 101.2 right there, that 0.5, or what is that, the 786, excuse me, the 786 resistance. Watch that VWAP. What's the 5 minute doing? Because the 5 minute, yep, curving down. So you can expect it to reject off of this resistance. That's what I would expect. Money flow almost. She got looks like a downside. She's gonna come down. She could be, money flow could be putting in divergences as well. Strategy. You get your bear divs, see money flow coming out. RSI is just pulling you straight down. Someone's at my door. It's my wife. That 1 minute's doing. Trying to hold that VWAP, trying to flip the VWAP to support on the 1 minute. But you're also fighting that. Not quite yet, but you're getting to it. You got more resistance right above that VWAP. Your VWAP on marketcipher B pointing straight down on the 1 minute. There's probably not going to hold right here. And there's a strategy on the 1 minute that I'm really trying to perfect, and that's the money flow and VWAP. If you start losing your VWAP with money flow coming out, that's a good short position. You see what happens. You know, same as, let's see, right here, you start gaining VWAP with money flow going into the green. You see, you can see it coming up. You're getting probably bull divs. Yeah, bull divs right there. You're reclaiming VWAP. You know money flow is about to go. It's good. It's a good entry. I'm trying to add more confluence to it, because you see right here, you're losing it. You're losing your money flow. Okay, zoom in a bit. Probably can't see that shit. Yeah, right here, losing VWAP, money flow coming out, but then boom, you just shoots right back up. Looks like money flow came back in just for a second, just to stop everybody out who shorted there, and then she continues down. Start to gain VWAP. You never get the money flow to come in. She just keeps going down. So on the 1 minute, which I have not traded on the 1 minute in a long time, but that was before I lost my market cipher. That was my strategy that I was working on, and it was it does good. It does cut. That's all I can say. You lose the VWAP and the money flow, and I want divs. I'm trying to add divs to it. It doesn't always, but the stronger, if you get divs with it, like right here, if money flow is crossing over the VWAP, that's a good long. Like if VWAP was right here, you're crossing over it, you see money flow going up. But see, now we're losing the VWAP. It only took a minute. Only took a minute, but that's playing into the 5 minute. We see that VWAP coming down, pinching off right here. So you can just assume you're gonna reject off that. Just assume. Your basic TA will tell you your resistance, your VWAP coming down. Look, it's about to cross over into the zero line. You got more downside. What's the low? What's the low for yesterday? 98.6. I'd say I'd like to see her go a little lower, at least to this golden pocket, somewhere in this zone right here. Actually, candlestick this wick, get a bounce, bullish divergence, money flow coming up. Maybe we can be flipping VWAP. I think it resets at 6 today, 6 my time. Daily still shooting down. Yeah, there's no curving up yet. Money flow still thick. Golly. Starting to cross over. Well, the crossover is already, the price action on that crossover is already played out, or is playing out now. I was saying that yesterday on stream. When this VWAP crosses that zero line, you can expect price to react on any time frame. It may not be big. She crosses the zero line to the downside, downward movement. Crosses it to the upside, upward movement. She crosses it to the downside, downward movement. It's gonna react on any time frame. The daily, I saw it coming down. Yeah, yesterday, we was right there. I said she's about to cross, and we're gonna see some downward movement. It's inevitable. That's what the VWAP does. It's so powerful. It's my number one trading indicator is the market cipher B VWAP. Yeah, that's where you start, is the VWAP on market cipher B. and the VWAP on the strength and resistance. These play so well together. Play so well together.
We should too.
I don't know. I feel like she's still gonna come down and do what to do. She is pretty low though.
I figured we should too. We should too.
I just don't like that. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to catch a bounce on some divergences at these key levels right here. The 1 hour will confirm the move that we want, and we'll try to get in on the 15. Really the 5. The 5 is where I'd like. The 5 is where I would have got in on that short yesterday. Well, hopefully we can come down, put in some bull divs. That's what we're waiting for. How long we have to wait, I'm not sure. With this little noisy 1 minute.
Jesus Christ himself had
Look, see, there's a VWAP. You're losing money flow. Probably a good short. Probably a good short even right now. What, 105? 105? It's probably a good short. Never mind. Never mind. Shooting up. That would have been the short as soon as you start losing VWAP and money flow. I don't know. I see VWAP coming up a bit, but not much. It won't be bull divs. Last bull div was right here. That little pinch. Price was steady getting low. Oscillator steady getting high. Yeah, she might get rejected off the zero line. We're not pinching. She should have been pinching.
We should too.
Maybe, what, 10 seconds? Let's see what this next candle does. You're gonna open grain? Damn it. Money flow is coming right back in. Yeah, that's the thing. That's the thing. I gotta perfect it. Sometimes it works out strong, just really strong. You lose VWAP, you lose money flow. You like divergences with it. That's your third ingredient, is the divergences to really make that a strong move. To make that a strong strategy with marketcipher.
We should too. We should too. We should too.
Yep. You see that rejection? See it curving back down. I wonder if money flow is going to curve back down. Yes, indeed.
I figured.
So yeah, 105, 105. But really, you want to short it right there. You start losing VWAP right here. You see money flow going into the red, even if you shorted the bottom of it. And 100 and call it 7. Wait for the red dot. Or wait for money flow to come back in.
We should too.
Stop losses at entry. It's dangerous trading this 1 minute. But that's how I found this. That's how I found this strategy. Is on the 1 minute. I should probably turn this down, huh? That's how I found this strategy, was trading on the 1 minute. Yep. lot of it.
I figured
But man,
we should too. We should too.
she is dangerous. Look, she's already back up there. Stop that. No divergences, no money flow. See, she reacts. She moved VWAP, crossed over to the upside. Price started going up. Pay attention to your VWAP. If you have marketcipher and you're trying to learn how to use it, the VWAP. Learn the VWAP. It took me, this is my third year. I've actually, I don't know if it'll show it again. I had my year in review. And I've been on trading you for like 1,000 something days.
I figured
Less than 1,100, but that's 3 years of on trading with you, and I know I've had marketcipher. This is my second year going into it, and I wouldn't say I'm a master, but I can definitely read the shit. I can read it, and all I need to do is start putting in my trades and not just calling them.
we should too.
But that breakout prop, your stop losses have to be so tight. I get a $50. I got $50 if I use my full account. I got a $50 swing on my stop loss. And if I lose that percentage, I can only lose 3 more times. See? There she is.
We should too.
I just got to stop being afraid to lose. That's why I only did the $55 one. Face said it usually takes people twice to get funded. I'm not trying to be that person. I'd like to get funded on my single account. I know I can. I've done it already. I nailed it yesterday live. I said short, and she played out beautifully. But
We should too.
I just gotta start taking them, man. I'm nervous. I don't want to breach. I don't want to breach. It's different if I had my own 5K. And I could just do 5x leverage. My stop losses would be impeccable. I would know price isn't gonna go back up that high. But with a $50 swing, well, I mean, I could use half my account and make it a $100 swing, which still ain't a lot. It's better than 50. But I'm doing it so I can be better, you know? Like, if I can nail it every time, if I can nail a $50 swing and win that trade, it just makes me better. So that's what we're shooting for. Nail those $50 swings. Yeah, see it right here. That's more. And then like, oh man, just really got to be right. Let's get off this 1 minute. This 1 minute gets you in trouble. You all curving up. Still no bull divs though. Anywhere. Which, that's another reason I think we got a little bit more downside too. We're not putting in any kind of bullish divs. Not yet anyway. I mean, it looks like they could be forming. We already put in these. Technically, I guess, on the 15. Price has gotten lower. VWAP still coming down though. This is probably my new trigger wave. Yep. But the 1 hour, that's where I want to see the VWAP, man. She's coming up. that's a bull deer. Slightly higher. Slightly higher. See what happens. And he was right at the OG spider line. What time was this? Yesterday at 1800. I was at a hibachi grill. I was at a hibachi grill. Or just leaving. When that bull dip got confirmed. Yeah, she looked like she was gonna reject though, didn't she? And she just. I don't know. Hopefully we can get that triple tap. We get that third one above the 60. Make a lower low. Got bull dibs on the 15. I'd like to see them start clipping off towards the 0 line. I'd like to see some bull dibs clipping off on the 0 line. We're still above 100K. What are the market makers gonna do though? How are they feeling this morning? I don't think anyone was expecting the dump after they said they was cutting rates. Thought that was bullish news, right? I don't know how true it is, but I did read 80% of the time, if you go to the first candle of the daily, if it's green, 80% of the time, the daily will close green. If it's red, it'll close red. And I don't see that shit happening. I don't think this shit's gonna close green. Like I said, I don't know how true it is. I ain't done no back testing on it. It's something I read. Probably even front run that VWAP. got some bull divs coming that are gonna push us up a bit. Everyone's panicking, selling. Oh my God, we're going to zero. We're losing 100K. But literally, it'll be the same. You see it everywhere. Are we gonna keep jumping? Oh my God, Bitcoin's dumping. We're going to zero. Ain't no way we go to zero. That talk should be over. There's like 10% down. I'm not worried about that one. 7%. Another 10%. So yeah, I mean, and then in the big picture, with the weekly, these run-ups, major 20 to 30% of the time. 20. So even if we got a 20% pullback, we still got plenty of room to pump until what should be the top around November. Around November, we get a little 20% correction, 20-30% correction. What, this top? Yeah. Surely. Right there to that spiral line. Back to 80. 80K, back to 70K. Yeah, that looks good.
You might only got one more shot.
Come back to 80. Get your little 20% pullback, 20-30% pullback. Make all-time highs. Makes sense. It's what Bitcoin does. It's what Bitcoin's always done.
Surely you take profit, man.
Pullback. All-time high. Pullback. All-time high. Pullback. All-time high. Pullback. All-time high. Come on, guys. I'd like to see this VWAP get rejected off that zero line so we can put in a div right here around the 60, closer to this golden pocket spiral line area. Try to catch it. Yeah, I know. Try to catch it on the 5. Might be able to catch it on this 15. We put in a, but still on these lower time frames, I like to pinch off right around the zero line before the. Let's see if I can find one. Probably this one. Find some divergences. Price is going lower. No, not there. Price is going lower. Right here. Price is getting lower. Oscillator is getting higher right there. You're almost at the zero line. You pinch it off. You pinch it off. And then see, this is the strategy I was saying earlier. The money flow VWAP strategy. You got your divs. You come in, money flow's coming up, you're flipping VWAP to support, and boy, you are just on your way after that. Your money flow came in, you flipped your VWAP right there at the money flow. That's what you want to. I like them when they line up on divergences. That would have been beautiful. I would have had so much confidence in that trade. And let me tell you why. I found this strategy on the 1 minute, but the higher the time frame, stronger it works out. You get your divs, basic market cipher B strategy, long the divs, the bull divs. And then extra confirmation, you see money flow coming up. You got VWAP right here. You flip your VWAP. Money flow is in the green. You're just going to continue up. But those are the three things to look for on that strategy. The VWAP money flow strategy works best with divs, of course, right? This is the basic strategy for market cipher. Divergences. But you add it with the money flow and VWAP, it's a beautiful thing. You might only got one more shot. Don't fucking waste it. Excuse the language. I try not to cuss, but when I'm live, I might slip out. Getting the red dot on the 15. Hello. Nice. Some good news. I'm really hoping we can come down to the support level. I'm just gonna stick to my plan. When you don't stick to your plan, that's when things go awry. When things go haywire. See, and what I'm really hoping we can come down to these levels between 97 and 98 is have these RSIs just come down, get super tight, and start to curve back up with divergences, VWAP getting ready to cross over, money flow getting ready to cross over. You know, we got a little bit of time. Unless she just dumps immediately, I don't see that happening. 4 hour VWAP rejection. Yeah, I really feel like we got some more downside. Feel like we're gonna come down just a hair. I don't think we break 95. I doubt we even come down to 94. I'm really guessing somewhere between the 0.5 and the 618. 618. And then we'll see what we want to see on market cipher B on the 1 hour. It's the hope anyway. Feel like VWAP's gonna get rejected off the 0 line. Keep coming down. Make higher highs with lower lows on VWAP as well. Get everything diverging. Hopefully we can start to flip the VWAP with money flow coming in. Man, I'm ready. See, curve back up a little bit. We need to come down just some more. I'm not taking the trade unless you come down to my levels. I'd really like to take the trade. Only if you come down to my levels. So. Yeah, I feel like we got some more downside. Probably to at least 96, 97. I'd be surprised if she came down to 94, 95, but that would make sense too. I could see that happening. Wheel. Moving down, ain't she? 99, there she is. I felt like we had some more downside. Really, let's hope we can come down to these key levels of support with divergences being printed on marketcipher B. I'd like to get in on this 5 minute, because the 5 minute is going to lead us to the 15. 15 is going to lead us to the 1 hour. And then I'll be looking to exit on the 1 hour. Probably a nice little red dot close to the 60 line. See, not right here. I wouldn't take that. I might take a little bit if I got in. And then that was the first red dot, but I want something over that 60 line to really get out of the trade with. Maybe even some divergences. But that's the plan. Looks like she's coming down. Money flow is not looking that great. VWAP is curving up. We haven't made a lower low though. I need you to come down. I like this trade at these levels here. I would like that bounce trade at these levels here. Looks like you're losing the OG spiral line. Yeah, I'm gonna say you're gonna lose that OG spiral line. VWAP's crossing down. What's she doing on that 5 minute? Looks like she's trying to curve back up. Yeah. RSI's tight, red, coming straight down. Is there a top on a 1 minute or a bottom? That's a pretty deep bottom. Pretty deep bottom there. Start looking for divergences off that. It will lead to the 5. That will lead to the 15. It will lead to your hour. As long as everything is looking right, there's no reason not to take it. You gotta know. Anchor wave. And look, that strategy I was telling you about, I don't think it has divergences with it. No, it does not. But you lose VWAP, you lose money flow. Shit works. I found it on the 1 minute. Works best on the 1 minute, I feel like. It's just a scalper thing. It's not always as strong. She looks like it though, doesn't she? Lose the VWAP, lose your money flow, coming down. And then you can get out on divergences or super deep waves like this one. Take your profit. At least close some of the trade and move your stop loss to profit on such a deep bottom. You know, you just nailed that. Take some profit, man. Just take some profit, man. Surely you got profits, man. Damn. Man, I was here for this. I feel like I was, what, 9:48? 11:24? Yeah, I feel like I was here for this. Nah, I don't think I was. I woke up late. It might have just started happening when I got on. Damn, but that's my strategy. Lose a VWAP. It works. I love it on the 1 minute. This is my scalping strategy. Losing the VWAP, the intraday VWAP, with money flow coming out. It's always best. It's always better with divergences in the way you want it to go. But it works. It really works. What is that? Freaking at least 1%. That's at least 1%. We'll do it right here. 1.2%. What is that, 6 on a 5x leverage? That's not bad. She's still coming down, boys. Oh. It's okay, I just know what I'm talking about. It's okay. I just know what I'm talking about. Oh man, thank God. It took me so long to get here. It took me so long to get to this point where I could look at marketcipher and be like, oh, okay, I think she's about to do this. But there ain't no thinking this shit. You just know. After you read it so long, you just know what's gonna fucking happen. Excuse my language. I just knew it. marketcipher just told me. Who would have thought? Who would have thought marketcipher would have told me what the markets were gonna do? Not me. Some more downside. Obviously, 4 hour. Till this VWAP starts curving up on the 4 hour. You want to see that start to curve up, and then I'll be like, okay, we're probably done dumping. Cause yeah, once it starts curving on the 4 hour, it's gonna start curving on that daily as well. So we need to put in this bottom on the 4 hour. It's not gonna be bearish dips or bullish dips, excuse me. Probably is bearish. Yeah. Oh yeah, bearish dips for sure. Oh, it's not gonna be bullish dips. I don't see you dropping, like I said, below 96.8. You got that spider line right here. Might go a little underneath to about 97. This golden pocket might wick under that spider line a minute. You see, come fucking nailed it. These spider lines, man. Thank you, crypto face. You lose this spider line, this one just catches it, brings it right back. Loses this one, you can't get this one. You come back down to this one. You finally get past this one. You come up to this one. Shit. These things, boy. And these, the white ones are 2.0, blue ones, OG spider lines. From the first, I think like 2013, these things were calling everything. Yeah, from 18, excuse me, to 19. From that whole year. Like I said, I'm still amazed how he figured this out. Maybe one day I can interview the almighty crypto face and ask him some shit. Cause I would love to know, hey man, what made you think this? Like, how did you even think to do this? They're so good. They just work so good. I would love to know what made you think of these. Pick and drugs. If you like the music, it's Lord Cyborg. His videos are in the description below. I can't trade to anything but Lord Cyborg. Taking drugs. Let's see. I can go a little bit longer. I'm gonna make some coffee, and we're just gonna watch this price action happen. What are you doing, old boy? What you doing, Jacob? What are you doing, Dad? What? You need to go outside? Alright, alright. Yeah, silly box. Oh, hit my target. Hit my freaking target. Let's get ready. Let's get ready. Let's bring this over here. Let's bring this over here. We got 0.5. I really rather something like that. $50 swing stop loss. 0.75. Let's do one. There it is. That's what we need. We need 500.
Staying out for days on end.
we just gotta come up to 99.8. Boy, I think we can do that. We just gotta nail this frickin' bottom. See, I needed to come up here with some bull divs closer to the zero line. It looks like that's gotta be the spot. Really hope so. Really, really hope so. I don't like that. I don't like that VWAP on the 1 hour. I mean, unless we do keep coming down and she pinches off right there. Bull dibs. And I'll take that. I'll take that. Look right here. No, not right there. There was other ones. Right here? Nope. So that should let you know. These ones right here. They don't play out that fucking good. I could have swore I saw something though. Was it this one? Yeah, I think it was. I think it was this one right there, and she just ripped. She was close to the zero line. Yeah, it can't be too close to a red dot. I don't know, I'll have to keep looking at that. Yeah, you're gonna get some more downside here. You're about to get some more downside here. We're about to hit the 98s. There it is. More down. Oh, she's curving up. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Man, just come to my levels. I'm not taking the trade without those levels. She's getting higher, price is getting lower. Start clipping off around here. The baby just woke up. She's not a baby, she's 3. The toddler just woke up. I'm about to have to. She's been sick all night. That's why I was a little late this morning. We're just game plan is I'm expecting us to come down to at least 90. These golden pockets here. Go to the 1 hour, you see them better. Get some good prices on them. This spider line, I would take it if we're at the spider line. 98,000 if we're at that spider line with bull divs on this 1 hour. Really the 15 minute. Let's see. Yeah, price is getting lower. We're getting divs. She starts clipping up here. Money flow's already in the green. RSIs are coming down. We'd like to see them get tight, turn green, and start going up around key levels of support here between 96.5. Well, what? 96.8. Excuse me. 96.8. Really, this whole area. This whole area right here. That's too much there. I don't like that. That's too much area. So this whole area right here. Okay. Between 96.8 and 98K.
All right.
Bull divs.
We got it figured out. I
Live.
said I'd figure it out.
Cyborg. I've already gone through. Oh, because I started halfway through. That's why. That's why. I didn't. It's almost time for me to go. I got one more song. Let's listen to one more song. How about you save my fucking life? Face.
Trying to keep your team on track, but
You
it feels
saved my
like
fucking
this?
life.
Meet Connect Team, the all-in-one platform.
V-WAP still coming down. We're not curving up. 5 minute. Yeah, she's still coming up. Price is getting lower. We're gonna get a bounce soon. It might be sometime today. But for right now, she's still got some room to go down. We need to come down. Look at that money flow. Holy cow. Price is getting lower. But you for this 1 minute time frame, you want it a little bit higher. Yeah, all this out of here. Here we go. Anchor wave. Trigger waves. Need them to be closer to the 0 line. On the 1 hour, it doesn't have to be as close to the 0 line, you know. But between the 5 and the 15, so I just need them to start clipping a little bit above the 60, closer to the 0 at key areas of support. I was watching Jason Casper's FOMC meeting yesterday. Somebody said there's no way we come back down to 70K. And then he said, well, what's stopping it? Literally, there's nothing. Spider lines. But if you pull your volume, that's such a low volume profile. Like, that's why it moves so quickly. So you drop it, you lose the 90s, probably going back down to 70 pretty quick. I don't see it losing that though. Not until the official top has been put in. Because right now it's still very bullish market structure. Higher highs, lower highs. We haven't taken lows from 92. 90. We ain't taking the lows from the 90. We're not putting in lower lows. Still very bullish. Money flow very deep. Coming out slowly, yes. Top signals on the weekly. But look at that VWAP curving up. Oh yeah, she's gonna curve up. She might have dipped a little bit right here. Where's my drawer? I'm telling you. And maybe right there, you know? Yeah, we're gonna put in more bear divs, and then we're gonna come back down to about 30K. That'll be the bottom, 25, 30K. Bear divs on the week. That's what we like to see. We're making lower lows, but it looks like our momentum getting higher. I want the RSIs to get low and tighten up. Start curving up. Should be putting in a bottom on that 5. You got your low. Price is getting lower. Momentum getting higher. I'd like to try to find one of these close to the 0. money flow coming in. Money flows in the red. You knew that wouldn't be a strong move. Money flow in the green though. We're getting higher. We need to come down to some key support though. Make sure it's support. Make sure we're holding support, right? Before we take that trade. Do I got it pulled up? Yeah, I do. See? Let's see, I'm using... I got like a $50 swing, if you notice. So price can move $50 down if I send this buy. And boom, I lose 50 of the, 200 I'm allowed to lose. It's not cool. Now, I could simply use half.
If Jesus Christ himself had prophets, I figured we should too. We should too.
And now I got about $100 swing. Well, I would need 11%. Now it has to go up to 102 instead of 99 something, 99.8.
We should too.
It's possible. I mean, I don't have to get it in a single trade. I could definitely scalp it up, but I want the single trade. I've already taken one trade though, so but I was just trying to learn. I was giving myself some experience with the breakout firm, how everything works. And it was a winning trade. I think it was like 27 cents. Oh no. I restarted it. Yeah, never mind. Well, we're gonna wait and see. We will wait and see. I'm about to have to get off and go help with the baby. We are making lower lows. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. With the look at that. Look at that. Ah, I need you to touch this. I need you to come down here. Cause that could be it. What, a 15? See the 5. I don't know. VWAP's getting ready to cross over. You're putting in a, yeah, we're going to see some upside from here, I'm sure. Unless the 1 minute is putting in the top. And she is, which means we have lower. Man, come down to these levels. Come down to these levels. Look at that. Look at that. Yo, we're getting ready for a bounce. There's about to be a bounce soon. I'd like it to be around these levels. I'm probably not going to be at the charts, though. Damn it. Oh, well.
I figured.
Oh, well. Should have woke up earlier. Might have been able to catch this. I would have been able to catch that. Damn, that's my strategy. I've never seen anyone else use this strategy. That's my strategy. But anyone can use it. At downside. But she's going to keep getting up there. We need to clip. Yeah, we got a bounce coming. Without a doubt, we got a bounce coming. I'd really like it to be around these key levels. Lower lows, higher highs, everything lining up how we want it. Everything is lining up exactly how we want it. She's almost to our levels, and I am about to have to get off.
I figured we should too. We should too.
VWAP's curving up. Now it looks like she might cross over right here. And we're almost to that spider line. I need on the 5 minute, I need the bull divs to be pinching off about right here at this 30 to 20 mark. And then to confirm it, I want this 4-hour VWAP curving up. That'll signal a very nice bounce. Man, we're almost there. We're almost to our zone. Almost to our zone. And there she goes. But I mean, that money flow, I'm not taking that. I'm not taking that even if we do come down here. Curving down on the 5. You may get rejected. You may get a small bounce. You see? You get that small bounce on the VWAP. But now you got VWAP resistance, spiral line resistance, you got spiral line support here, golden pocket support here. I may not catch this move. Damn. She's right there. Almost there.
We should do.
But I'm just not comfortable with that. And yeah, oh man, right there on the spiral line. Coming up. We could see a bounce off this spiral line. Probably a bounce, but you see how red that money flow is. I'm not comfortable. I'm not comfortable taking that bounce. I only got a $50 swing. So if I long it at the spiral line, it goes $50 below that spiral line, I get stopped out. And I lose. Well, I guess since I'm only using half the account, I got a $100 swing, but still, she swings $100 under that spiral line. I lose $50, and then 3 trades closer to breaching. 3 losses closer to breaching. I haven't lost. I haven't won. Oh yeah, see? You would have longed that support. We come down $50 fucking. Excuse my language. And I lose. So I need strong confirmations. If I was trading with my own money, if I wasn't trying to become a funded trader through Breakout Prop, I might fuck around in 1 minute here. Look at that. VWAP's coming up. Money flow's still too deep. This would be such a short scalp. But I'm trying to get that 10%er. Trying to get that 10% funded account. And there's nothing on the 5 or the 15. 1 minute, the money flows so bad. Hoping for and of course the spiral line's gonna nail the wick. But hopefully we can candlestick it around these areas. You see, get some money flow coming in on the lower time frames. Still bull divs. Price has gotten a lot lower, and look, we're right there, huh? Right there at the golden pocket. Man, but she is dumping. Holy cow. Holy cow. Where's the bounce at? There isn't one. There isn't a bounce. Okay, VWAP on the 5 minute. This could be the bounce.
I figured we should too.
but I'm still not happy with it. I'm not happy with the way it looks on my oscillator to take the trade. Like I said, I wanted to see this. I wanted to see these levels. But then you go down to the 1 minute money flow. I mean, but that divergence, VWAP's about to cross over. Yeah, you're probably gonna catch a little bounce off this golden pocket. But I've already missed my entry point. That was my entry point right there. Missed it. Now I can't get in it. Oh well. Oh well. Always another trade. You miss it, sit on your hands, wait for the next one. I've missed 2 of them. I don't think I was live. I don't think I was at my chart for the money flow VWAP strategy I came up with. We're probably going to see a little bounce. It's a 4-hour curving. It's not. We probably got more downside. We need a wick. We need a candlestick this. Candlestick this wick to continue up. If you candlestick this, you're still making higher lows. I think the 1 hour VWAP, I don't know. I like to see money flow. I need the RSIs lower, coming together. You're losing it. You're losing the spider line. You're not even bouncing with a VWAP crossover. Barely, if anything. Such an indecisive 1 minute candle there. See those swings right there, those little wicks right there, stops me out of my trade. There it is. There's the bounce. Small bounce. I need some actual candlesticks down here with some bullish divs on the 5, higher divs on the 5, and on the 15. Well, I did say about an hour ago we got more downside. I'm so happy. So happy. I may not be funded yet, but I am reading these markets. And I've come so far to get to this point. 3 years. 3 years of trading. And I never gave up. And now I can see it. You go watch the stream from the beginning. Go watch the stream from yesterday. I may not have $1 million from trading, but I know what I'm doing. I just gotta start pulling my triggers. But that will do it for me. I gotta go help take care of a sick baby. I'm gonna set some alerts. The game plan for today is come down to these levels. I mean, we could even come down to the 786. We lose the golden pocket. Come down to the 786. You got a spider line 2.0 right below it, and that could be it. I mean, this could be it. I'm not saying we won't bottom out here, but it's not looking like it. It's not looking like it. I'd like to see this wick get candlesticked. You know, put in some actual candlesticks here to continue upward. Oh, there's the bounce. There's the bounce. That money flow is still ridiculous. I feel like come down some. As she starts to come down. No. Bouncing off that spiral line. Could have front ran that VWAP curve. But look, you see that VWAP coming down? There's your bounce. Expect lower. Expect just a little bit. 5. Shooting up. Catching a bounce from the spider line. Yep. Alright, well, we got the levels we wanted. Now we just need some divergences. Oh, look at that VWAP on the 1 hour. That wick could have been the bottom. I was looking right at it. My plan played out. But now I cannot enter along. That was my entry point on that VWAP crossing over. Damn. Alright. I guess that will do it for me. Looks like we could bounce from these levels. We could be putting in a local bottom here. That VWAP coming straight up. I mean, money flow's still in the red. You're under VWAP. So I'm not saying this is to all-time highs from here. But could see a little bounce. You're already seeing a little bounce. She's still coming down. That money flow still too red. I don't think that 0 line is going to hold support. Yeah, I wanted the 5. Yes. Yeah, I'm guessing my entry is going to be between 96 and 94. You got a spider line, an OG spider line lining right up with it. That could be the bounce I'm looking for. We'll wait and see. Appreciate for everyone tuning in. I'll be back tomorrow. Might be back later today. I don't know. But it sucks because I'm so close. I wish I could just sit here and watch this all day. But I have stuff to do. My baby is sick, and I need to take care of her and help my wife as well. So I'll try to keep everyone updated if I can. I know so many people are out there doing TA right now. I need to start updating throughout my Discord, and I will. This is just me getting back to it. My second day back at it. Still warming up a bit, man, but I'm proud of myself. I'm proud of myself. I have called it beautifully. I ain't taking the freaking trades like an idiot. Like that 5-minute yesterday when I was like, oh, short. That was the tie. I nailed the tie. I didn't take it. Why? I gotta get better about that. But I hope everyone has a blessed day. Manage your trade safely. You know, wait. Come up with your plan. Stick to your plan, and execute your plans. That's how you win. Yeah. When you start diverging from your plans. Yeah, nice little bounce here. That VWAP crosses over. When you start diverging from your plans, that's when you start losing. Come up with your plans. I have my plans. I may not be at the chart to execute them, but I bet you they work out. So have a good day, everyone. Manage your trade safely. That will do it for me. Good day.